Hello everyone, this is me Arijit with a new video, and in this video I will show you how you can put your Raspberry Pi in a kiosk mode. Now in a kiosk we normally load different kind of web pages. So let's say you have built a system and now the system can be accessed through a web page. So what we do is we upload that web page in a kiosk so that that web page can be accessed from the kiosk so that people can actually access the system through the web page. And in a kiosk normally we can't actually exit from that web page and only that web page will run in the kiosk. So in this video, I will show you how you can create a similar setup in your Raspberry Pi so that you can load any web page. Maybe you have created it or maybe it's someone else's web page. You can actually, whenever your Pi will boot up, it will automatically load that web page in a browser and no one can exit from that browser, and only that browser with the web page is going to run in the system. Okay. So, and also maybe you want to show some videos in the kiosk or maybe some images in the kiosk. That also will show you how you can do that. So for that we are going to use something called as a FullPageOS. Now using that FullPageOS, I will show you how you can create the whole setup. So whenever you will boot your Pi, it's going to load the web page for you, and then you can just connect a touch screen or maybe a normal display, even a keyboard mouse with it, so that people can access that kiosk. Or if you are just showing some video or images, you even don't need that. Don't need the keyboard or mouse, just a display will be enough. So all these things I'll show you in the video. So now without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay guys, so let's start with the video. Okay, and here this is the official page of FullPageOS. The link I'll provide in the description, so you can go and check it out. Now here I'm going to use Raspberry Pi 4B. Okay, but you can also use Raspberry Pi 3B. Even a Raspberry Pi 0 is going to work. Okay, this is a very lightweight OS. Now to install the OS, I'm going to use Raspberry Pi Imager. So here is our Raspberry Pi Imager. I already have connected a 32 GB memory card, so you don't need a 32 GB memory card, even a 8 GB memory card is going to work. Okay, so here you have to first, after opening the Raspberry Pi Imager, you go to OS. From there you have to go to other specific purpose OS, and there you are going to get FullPageOS, and as you can see, display a full page browser on boot in kiosk mode. Okay, so you select this one, and here you are going to get all these options. You can choose any of them, either the stable one or the nightly one, any one. So this is the latest one, so I'm going to use the nightly one. Okay, storage, I'm going to choose this 31.9, so my 32 GB memory card I'll choose. Here I'll go and I'll going to choose these things. So set local host name as Raspberry Pi.local. Make sure you have wrote Raspberry Pi.local here. It will be easier to find it in SSH. Next I'll make sure I'll give a password for the Pi. Okay, so here I'll give the password. Next here I have my Wi-Fi. Okay, so you have to put your Wi-Fi password here. So in my case it's Raspberry. Okay, and so next is here you can just click on save, and finally we are ready to write. So it will take few minutes to write it, and let's just wait for it. Okay, so as you can see here, it has wrote in the SD card. Now continue. Now don't put the SD card inside your Raspberry Pi yet. We have to still do quite a lot of things. So the most important thing, so first what you have to do, you have to go to your so first what we'll do is you are going to remove the memory card, okay, or the card reader, whatever you are using, and again reinsert it. Okay, so once you reinsert it, you are going to get this boot folder. Even your Windows or Linux, whatever you are going to get this boot folder. Okay, now inside this boot folder, what we have to change is we have a file called FullPageOS WPS applicant. Now this file we have to change. Now we have actually put our Wi-Fi credentials in the settings. Okay, but as it's not a standard Raspberry Pi image, I'm not sure if actually it supports that feature. So that's why, to be in the safe side, what I'm going to do is I'm also going to write my Wi-Fi credentials here. So first I'm going to uncomment this section. So as you can see, is WPA2 secured. Okay, and here is the network. So here I'm going to put my SSID. So it is the Wi-Fi name. So in my case, Aeonix Robotics. And here I'll put my password. So it's Raspberry. So Raspberry. So to be in the safe side, I'm just doing it. Okay, so we have saved it. One thing done. Next there is another file, which is, if you see, there is this FullPageOS txt. Okay, Now if you open FullPageOS txt, you will see there is a link already given, so http and localhost / FullPage dashboard. Okay, now here also you can put your URL. Okay, so let's just take one website as example. So let's say what I can do is maybe our YouTube page. I just want to open our YouTube channel whenever our file will boot up. So I'll put this link. So I'll copy this link and I'll just put it here. Okay, so we are going to just put it here and we are going to save it. Okay, so what will happen whenever our file will boot up is going to load our this YouTube channel in the screen. Okay, so whatever display will connect is going to open this this YouTube channel in the browser. Okay, now if you let's say have multiple videos you want to show or multiple images to show, in that case also you have to provide links. So you can provide multiple links. So the videos you can upload on maybe YouTube, and images you can upload some site which supports full screen images. And then what you can do, you can take the URLs and you can put them. In that case, for multiple images or multiple videos, what you have to do is let this thing be here. So localhost and FullPage dashboard, save it. Now what you have to do is there is another FullPage dashboard.txt. You go to this site here and there you will see that localhost and welcome. Here you can actually put any number of links you want. So this is one link, there you can put another link, all the in the new line. Obviously you can put as many links as you want. And what our FullPageOS will do, FullPage is going to basically going to open every website for 30 seconds. So this first website will open 30 seconds, then second one 30, third one 30, fourth one 30, and then it will repeat. In this way it is going to work. Okay, so if you have multiple videos or images or multiple URLs to show, you use this, you come to this text file and you change it. But in my case, I just have one URL, so that's why I'm going to put it here only. So here I'll just paste my YouTube URL and I'll save it. So there's FullPageOS.txt, and now I'm done. I'm going, and now we can just take the memory card from the card reader. You can put it in the Raspberry Pi. And also what I'll do, I'm going to connect the Raspberry Pi with the screen, and then also using a HDMI cable. Also I'll attach a keyboard and mouse and with a display, and I'll show you how actually is booting. Okay, so now let's see that. Okay guys, so now as you can see here, I already have inserted the memory card in the Raspberry Pi, and also I have connected the HDMI cable with the display, and also I have connected a mouse for the control. Okay, so now I will give it power. So as you can see, I have given it power. Now let's see how it will boot. So as you can see, it has booted, and now as you can see here, it has loaded the page we have provided. Okay, and also for the very first time when you will turn it on, it will take few minutes to turn it on, but from the next time it will not take so much time. Okay, and as you can see here, and also we can control it. So here I have connected the mouse, so as you can see, I can just go to other pages. Okay, and here actually I can choose any of my videos. So let's say this video, if I choose, so as you can see, the video is getting loaded. Okay, so as you can see here, it's playing my video, and also you can see you cannot exit. Okay, so this is the main thing, that you cannot exit from this Kiosk mode. Okay, there is no way you can exit from here. So if you have to shut it down, you have to shut it down from SSH. You have to use the SSH for that purpose. Okay, also you have to change the URL. You also have to use SSH. You can also actually take the memory card and change it, but the easier way will be just to SSH into it. Okay, and the password will be obviously the password you have provided when you have actually when you have wrote that image in the memory card. Okay, that password you can use to log in, and then you can go to and you can change the URL. Okay, so this is how it will work actually. Okay, and here you can actually search, so you can use a keyboard to search here. Okay, so this is how you can actually use the Kiosk mode in the FullPageOS. Okay, and also you can actually, if you want to play a video in basically you have to play a video in this Kiosk mode, then you can put a YouTube video. But while putting the YouTube video link, just remember at the end of the link you also need to add that autoplay equal to 1 and mute equal to 1, and also you can provide a video quality. So VQ equal to HD 1080 or something, whatever resolution you want. So in this way you can actually give a link of a YouTube video and that will be shown in the page. So here also you can see I can make it full screen. So here if I do, so as you can see now the video is full screen. Okay. So if you give a video link, then it's going to just turn on, it's going to just load the video at the boot. Okay. So this is how it's working. Okay guys, so that's all about this video. I hope you have learned something from this video and you had fun. So please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that we can create more contents like this. And many more Raspberry Pi related contents are coming very soon. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the very next video.